What are peptides? What if a tiny chain of amino acids could rebuild your skin, burn fat, and speed up healing, all at once? Meet peptides. Peptides are short chains of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Think of them as targeted messengers that tell your cells exactly what to do. How do you use them? Most therapeutic peptides come as subcutaneous injections, a tiny insulin-style needle into belly fat. Some are oral capsules, others are topical creams. Dosing is typically in cycles of 4 to 12 weeks. 5 key benefits. Skin rejuvenation. Copper peptides like GHKQ boost collagen and elastin, reducing wrinkles and improving firmness. Muscle recovery and fat loss. BPC 157 accelerates tissue repair. AOD 9604 triggers targeted fat metabolism without muscle loss. Injury healing. BPC 157 and TB 500 reduce inflammation and speed up tendon, ligament, and wound recovery. Immune modulation. Thymosin alpha-1 helps regulate immune function, used for chronic infections and autoimmune conditions. Cognitive enhancement. Cmax and cerebrolysin improve focus, memory, and neuroprotection.
Thank you for watching. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below.